This is my favorite vegetable. It's called a kabocha squash. It's also known as a Japanese pumpkin. You can find them at Asian grocery stores. Usually, I got this one delivered to me by Milk and Eggs, which is a food delivery company in Los Angeles that I work with often. And my favorite thing about the kabocha squash is that it tastes like what I think a pumpkin should taste like. Sometimes when I eat the pumpkins, the orange ones that you see around October, they're never as sweet as I want them to be. Like, I want my pumpkin to taste like pumpkin pie. This is pretty sweet. It's kind of like how a butternut squash or a sweet potato would taste, but as you can see, they're pretty large and they're kind of intimidating to cook and to cut, but I'm gonna show you my way of doing it that's super easy. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're gonna shove the entire pumpkin into the oven. Well, you're gonna put it on a baking sheet first with parchment paper or a sill pad or something to catch whatever juices might come gushing out of the pumpkin. After about 20 minutes in the oven whole, without any piercing, anything, you're going to take your knife and it's gonna slide right on through that pumpkin. This is how you cut it without hurting yourself. I don't have the arm strength for a knife that's capable of just cutting through the raw pumpkin, so this is what I do to soften it up first. Then once you cut it open, you're gonna scoop out the seeds. You're going to cut it into wedges, or you can just leave it, you know, 2 halves as it is. And you're gonna roast it for 40 more minutes until it's done cooking. I like to eat it straight up. It tastes like pumpkin, the way pumpkin's supposed to taste. It's so good. And so good for you. Make it today.